the human reign on Earth is over.
Humans have screwed up the Earth. Well, now the Earth is screwing up humans.
This is nature's way of fixing its own mistakes.
Humans are continuing to evolve as a species, but instead of evolving forward, we are evolving backwards.
This begs the question, are we so different from monkeys?
The government does not want you to know about de-evolution. The church does not want you to know about de-evolution.
Evolution has failed us.
We have discovered an acceleration in the de-evolution of mankind.
Humans, or Homo sapiens, will now be returning to a state of monkeyness.
Monkeys?
We are mutating back to early primate forms.
Humans 10 years ago.
This is the core of our de-evolutionary theory.
And humans today.
Monkey, orangutans, red-butted gorillas.
I believe mankind in 40 years will be the same as it was 2 million years ago.
The human species had a good run, as did the dinosaurs.
It's clear that the human reign on Earth is over.